So congratulations to everyone who invested in Jio Financial Services when the time was right and they purchased the stock at the price band of around 240 to 270 level. So you must be at a profit of minimum 40% or could be more than 60% as well. And also congratulations to people who did exit partially at the price band of around 350 to 370. And I also posted a video when the price was at around that area, and the price action was clearly telling that the uptrend has partially ended. Partially in the sense it has taken a pause. It has not completely started a downtrend. It has taken a pause. Well, many people did not like that analysis. The reason they gave is that Jio Financial Services should continue to give good returns, but you see what happened in the last 2 months. It has given negative returns. It is still trading below the price of around 360 370 right now. Okay, so what exactly happened and how did I figure out that the uptrend strength has kind of ended and it is going to take a break? I'm going to discuss everything in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and also I will give you the idea when can you make a fresh entry in this stock if you have not at all invested in this stock, or if you are already holding it, when can you expect the stock to again continue its uptrend. Everything will be covered in this video. Let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So the first thing is that let me tell you that this is not a stock recommendation video at all. This is just an educational video so that you can learn the approach of analysis and also use the data given in this video with your own analysis and then take the final decision, right? So Jio Financial Services started its rally around this price, okay, 240 245 we can say, and since that point it gave the highest return of around 60%, okay, and now it is currently trading at 364. Okay, so I made multiple videos around this level, okay, here again 280, then I think I made around 300 as well, okay, multiple videos, okay, and then when I observed that the strength is weakening, okay, you can see back to back red candles here, big red candle here, okay, you can observe that this is kind of an evening star pattern, then again one more evening star pattern, then back to back red candles, clear sign of weakness, then there is one gap down. So clearly it was telling that the strength has weakened and Jio might take a break, okay. And if we draw a simple trend line here connecting these 2 points, we can see that the trend line was also broken at this level, okay. And if you are someone who uses crossover for entry and exit, then I can show you that as well. You see the 30 WMA and 10 smooth moving average, 7 smooth moving average, which is equivalent of 10 EMA, has already given a cross below here, okay, at that exact point where the trend line has been broken. So clearly it was telling that the uptrend has taken a break and people who are swing traders, they should take partial profit, okay, they should definitely take partial profit. And if you did, you are already you have gained some good amount of money depending on how much you have invested in this stock, okay. And let's say you have exited completely, that is also not very bad, I would say, because when it starts another phase of rally, you can still make a fresh entry. But if you are still holding half of the units, then it's a very good thing. You can either add more units when the trend starts, or else you can take a fresh entry if you have sold completely, okay. So that is the past scenario. Now coming to the present scenario, we have to see if Jio is going to start an uptrend from this point or not. So what are the evidences supporting it? So let's check with the 150 days, let's check with the 200 days EMA first. So if I enable 200 days EMA, we can see it is far away from the current price, okay. And if I enable 150, you can see the price has touched that level already, and here it is starting to show strength. Along with this, if I enable the 50 EMA, let us see where it is aligning. So you can see the 50 EMA has touched the stock, but still now it has not turned upwards like this, okay, it has not turned upwards like this, providing support to the stock price. That is what we need to see, okay. So our job right now is to figure out the nearest resistance point, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these drawings, okay, these trend lines I'm going to delete, okay, then hide the moving averages, okay. the very simple thing that I am going to use in order to get the confirmation that the new rally is going to start or not is the fib retracement. First of all, the fib retracement. Okay, this is the high, this is the low, and if I extend it this side, so we can see that the stock has not yet used the 50% level as its support. So 350 is clearly the 50% level. So what we want to see that the stock should touch this level and then give a big green candle with good volume. Okay, then only we can be sure that the uptrend could start from that point. Okay, and let's say if you're someone who wants to make entry only with additional confirmation, so that also I'm going to cover by finding, by using other tools in order to get the clear entry point. So this was the fib retracement. So what I'm going to do is draw one blue line here at the 50% level and remove this one. Okay, and also delete this green shaded area. Okay, so we know that this is the top, this is the bottom. Now we'll also check what the super trend indicator is telling us, where the nearest resistance level is. So if I enable the super trend indicator, you can see it is telling that this level is the nearest resistance. Okay, so let me draw one more red line here. Okay, so I have drawn one more red line. I will hide the super trend. Okay, and we can clearly see that the trend is actually getting weak as soon as it touches this level. Okay, back to back downtrends from here. Right, now let us use the pivot points and check if it is giving any additional information or not. So if I enable the pivot points, we can see that the place where the super trend indicator marked this resistance, the same thing is being told by the pivot points as well. So we are clear now that this 377 level, okay, is the nearest resistance. So we have to wait for the stock to use this level as the support and give a breakout above this level, 377 level. Only then we can consider a new entry. Okay, do not jump in in order to catch the stock with at a lower price, let's say 364. 364 and 377, there is not much difference, but you should always follow the rule and make entries only after confirmation. So keep the 377 level in your mind. As soon as it breaks with a strong volume and strong candlestick pattern, then only consider entering at that price point. But please do your own analysis, complete analysis. Do not rely on this video or the information given by me solely in order to make entries, right? So let me just highlight what I have said. So 377 level is the level you have to keep your eye on. Okay, and let's say you are entering there and the stock is giving a breakout as you are planning, then where can we take profit? So let me give you some profit targets, but remember that this is not an exact profit target because the breakout has not yet happened. Okay, this is just an estimate. Okay, so if it gives a breakout at that level, definitely I will make one more video to give you the update. So if you are making an entry at this 377 378 level, the first target, profit target, will be here 440, the second target 480. Okay, so around 15% and 27% return. So good for swing traders, no problem with that. Okay, so now our job is just to wait for the stock to break the 377 level. Okay, and don't worry, I'll make one more update video. And also remember to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. I'm going to post one more analysis of a stock which you may have heard the name or may not have heard. Okay, it belongs to the NBFC sector, and I felt that it is really an emerging stock and definitely I should share with my viewers. So I'm going to post it in the other channel. I'll try to post it today or maybe tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful and informative. Please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and also don't forget to check my other videos. And also you can join the Financial Impulse community. If you're finding my content valuable and you want to join the membership, you can chat with me directly one-to-one, and also you will get more information on stocks which are giving breakouts. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.